Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Dropbox with Team. So first things first, of course, you need to go to your Dropbox and log into your account. So you need to sign up or log into your Dropbox. Go to www.dropbox.com, click sign in if you already have an account. If not, click sign up to create a new account using your work email. Now, step two, as you can see, there is no team space here on the basic version or the basic plan. So you need to choose a Dropbox team plan. You need to go to the pricing. And then here in the pricing, you can see choose a team plan, standard, advanced, or enterprise. So you need to follow prompts to set up billing and invite your team members. So you need to choose a plan here in order for you to unlock the team space feature so you can see it on your Dropbox. So once you have unlock and once you can see that team space here on the Dropbox, what you're going to do next is create a team space. So after setup, Dropbox creates a team space automatically. So you can go to all files, team space, and you can organize folders inside team space for different projects or departments. Now, step four, you can invite team members. So you can click this invite team members right here and then tap or click invite members and enter their work emails. You can now assign roles if you want that person to be the admin or one of the admins, just a member, just a viewer, or also editor. So you can just set it up right here. And then step five, you can now share folders and files. Right click on any folder in team space, click share, enter the team member or team members' names or email address, set permission can edit or can view, and that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can now track activity and manage access, and you can now transfer any files, and set up team folders by department or project for easier collaboration. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.